In this video, we will show you how to create a table in Notepad newest versions. Microsoft has been updated the Notepad on Windows 11, especially on Windows 11 Insider. Now we can create a table easily. How to do that? First, you can open the Notepad, and if you want to get these new features, you can update your Notepad via Microsoft Store. But the note, you must has Windows 11 Insider programs. Okay, to create a table, we can just insert like that, or we can using the insert manually by clicking this and select insert table. For example, we create 3 column and 3 rows, and but this feature doesn't have the merge values. Okay, so if we want to merge the table like this, there is no option to doing that. Maybe we will update if there is new features with merge. Okay, so if you want to delete the column, you can just right click in here, for example, and select edit table and select delete and select column like this. And if you want to delete the rows, you can right click in here, for example, and select edit table and select delete and select row. Okay, now you can adjust the size, of course. Okay, like on the other programs, you can adjust the notepad, okay, like this, and you can add the number, for example, and add the title of the table. Okay, name and age. Okay, and after that, there is also new features called AI. With this feature, you can create a text, okay, like write, rewrite, custom rewrite, and create summaries. But in here, you must have a plan or subscription on Microsoft. Okay, and this is not works because I don't have a subscription before. Okay, what the version of this notepad? To check the version, you can just click this, and you can see the notepad version I'm used is 11.25.10.6.0. To update the notepad, you can go to the Microsoft Store and you can open the library, okay, and just find notepad here. Just find the notepad and make sure your notepad is the latest version. And you must also become Windows 11 Insider programs to get early access of these notepad features. And that's all tutorial how to create a table in the notepad newest version. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.